Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this problem, yeah, this disease condition, it is a very common. ठीक है, इंडिया में तो बहुत ही कॉमन, दिस इज अ वेरी कॉमन डिजीज कंडीशन ऑफ द नोज. ओके, सो यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड आल्सो पीपल से कि मुझे तो ऐसे साइनस की प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है ना, आई एम हैविंग दिस साइनसेस प्रॉब्लम एंड बार बार नाक से पानी निकल जाते हैं. ठीक है, आई एम हैविंग हेडेक. ठीक है, यहाँ पे ना नियर द आईज आई एम हैविंग सीवियर हेडेक. ठीक है, और यहाँ पे जो नेजल ब्रिज है, ठीक है, नियर द नेजल ब्रिज, ठीक है, द एरियाज अराउंड द आईज, वहाँ पे भी पेन होता है, सीवियर पेन. सो दीज आर ऑल बेसिकली द साइनोसाइटिस. ठीक है, सो वी नो देर आर साइनसेस. ठीक है, हमारी in our nasal cavity there are sinuses and there are so many sinuses. Okay, not just one sinus, लेकिन there are 4 sinuses. ठीक है, so you can see this picture on the side. Can you see the healthy sinus?
Yes, ma'am.
So in the healthy sinus, there are 4 sinuses which are very important, and also they are called as number 1, which is called as frontal sinus. Frontal sinus, it is a sinus which is just present above the eyebrows. Okay, so when you when you have any headache around your eyes, around on your forehead, then it can also be because of sinuses. ठीक है, देन दिस इज अ फ्रंटल साइनस. फिर एक दूसरा साइनस है, दैट इज कॉल्ड स्फीनॉइड साइनस. ओके, देन वी हैव द एथमॉइड साइनस. एथमॉइड साइनस इज जस्ट प्रेजेंट नियर द लैक्रिमल ग्लैंड्स. ठीक है, देन वी आल्सो हैव द मैक्सिलरी साइनस. मैक्सिलरी साइनस हियर नियर द बोन चीक्स. ठीक है, सो पीपल दे कंप्लेन कि ना मुझे यहाँ पे बहुत फेशियल पेन हो रहा है नियर दी नियर दी नोज, नियर दी चीक्स एरियाज. ठीक है, तो वहाँ पे बहुत ही सिवियर पेन हो रहा है एंड आई एम हैविंग नोज ब्लॉक, है ना, मेरी जो वॉइस है वो चेंज हो रहा है. सो दीज आर बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम्स इन दी साइनसेस. Okay, so there are 4 sinuses. One is frontal, number 2 sphenoid sinus, number 3 ethmoid sinus, and number 4 maxillary sinus. ठीक है, so this is about the sinuses. ठीक है, and the topic for today, that is sinusitis. ठीक है, साइनसाइटिस का मतलब है इन्फ्लामेशन ऑफ द साइनसेस. ठीक है, इन्फ्लामेशन इन एनी ऑफ द साइनस. अगर फ्रंटल साइनस में इन्फ्लामेशन है, देन वी कॉल इट अ साइनसाइटिस, और इन एनी ऑफ द साइनसेस. ओके, सो that is the sinusitis. So let us see the introduction. ठीक है, so it is a complication of 5% to 10% of upper respiratory infection in children. Okay, so it is also common not only in adults, लेकिन children में भी बहुत common है, and about 5 to 10% of the upper respiratory infection. ठीक है, in upper respiratory infection there are so many disease condition, है ना, pharyngitis हो गया, laryngitis हो गया. ठीक है, so because rhinitis or common cold, ठीक है, these are all upper respiratory infection. Okay, so majority 5 to 10% of these upper respiratory infection, the sinusitis is very common in children. Okay, and maxillary and ethmoid sinus are the most frequently involved. Okay, so I have taught you 4 types of sinus. एक है frontal, एक है sphenoid, एक है ethmoid, और एक है maxillary. Okay, so out of these 4, maxillary and ethmoid sinus are the most frequently involved in getting infected. That is after getting usually followed by rhinitis. ठीक है, अगर पेशेंट को कॉमन कोल्ड हो गया, ठीक है, सो इफ अ पेशेंट हैज कॉमन कोल्ड or what you call it as in Hindi जुखाम, है ना. So if a patient is having a common cold, then after the common cold there can be chances कि ethmoid sinus या maxillary sinus ये infected हो सकता है. ठीक है, and this can be because of any allergic reactions or because of the virus. Okay, so it may also result from abrupt pressure changes. So when the pressure changes also, okay, that is when you are sitting in an airplane, okay, that is low pressure. But when you go up, okay, when the airplane starts and you go up into the cloud, so the pressure changes, ठीक है, तो उस pressure change के वजह से you can have sinusitis, ठीक है. Then also because of diving, swimming, है ना, or it can be because there's so many types of diving, high cliff diving, ठीक है, jumping, उसको क्या बोलते हैं, bungee diving, ठीक है, and so many types of diving or swimming, ठीक है. So because of these activities also patient can have sinusitis. Or after any dental extraction, tooth cavity हो गया, है ना, या कोई भी root canal treatment, ठीक है, or any infection of the teeth. So if you have to remove a tooth or remove the tooth cavity, so because of that procedure also there can be chances that the sinus can be infected. And also because of any infection, ठीक है, it can be infection in the mouth, infection in the tongue, infection in the gums, infection in the tooth, or infection in the pharynx, infection in the larynx, infection in the nasopharynx. Okay, so because of these infection, the bacteria or the virus, from there it will go and infect the sinuses. Okay, so this is about the introduction of sinusitis. Is this clear with the introduction? किसी को doubt है?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
I think I'm very fast. Do you think I'm fast in teaching or I'm okay?
Ma'am, always okay.
ठीक है. So that was about the introduction. Now we come to the definition. So definition of sinusitis, it is an inflammation of mucous membrane of the paranasal sinuses. Okay, so if any of these sinuses, if the mucous membrane or the lining of the sinuses are infected, are inflamed, then we call it as sinusitis. So there are four sinuses: frontal, sphenoid, ethmoid and maxillary. So in any of these sinuses, अगर कोई भी infection है या inflammation है वहाँ पे, so we call it as sinusitis. Then coming to the types, so there are two types. One is acute and the other is chronic. Okay, so acute sinusitis का मतलब है having infection in the sinus for a short duration. Okay, for a short time, that can be up to 3 weeks. Okay, then chronic sinusitis means for a long time. It can take for 3 months or it can take 6 months. Okay, so if patient is having sinusitis, okay, inflammation of the sinuses for 2, 3, 4 months, then we call it as chronic sinusitis. Okay, so you can see in this picture, this is a healthy sinus and this is an inflamed sinus or infected chronic sinusitis. Okay, so you can see this is the frontal, just above the eyebrow we have the frontal sinus. Okay, and so this is a normal frontal sinus and this is the inflamed infected sinus. Then we have the ethmoid also, and then we have the sphenoid also. Okay, and also the maxillary. The maxillary sinus is just present near the your cheekbones. Okay, so if there is any infection or any if there's any inflammation in any of these four sinuses, then we call it as sinusitis. And it is of two types, acute and chronic. Now coming to the causes. So introduction only I have told you about the causes. Okay, so first of all is upper respiratory tract infection. ठीक है, अगर बच्चों को pharyngitis है, inflammation or infection of the pharynx, if the patient is having glossitis, or if patient is having gingivitis, okay, inflammation of the gums, glossitis, inflammation of the tongue. ठीक है, if patient had done any root canal of the teeth, of the tooth, ठीक है, dentures लगाए हैं, permanent dentures लगाए हैं, या extraction of the tooth cavity, या कोई भी procedure of the tooth or the teeth, that can also lead to sinusitis. Then infection of the larynx, ठीक है? If there is any patient is suffering from common cold, ठीक है? उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Rhinitis. Okay, rhinitis is also known as common cold. Zukham, when the temperature changes, when from summer you are changing to winter time, so people they get sick. Okay, so because of any upper respiratory infection, okay, the bacteria or the virus can go and spread to the sinuses. Then swimming, diving. Okay, so swimming also can lead to sinusitis. Dental infection that I've explained, any viral infection in the body, okay, it can be viral infection in the ears, viral infection in the lungs, okay, or any part of the organ or any organ of the body. So the virus from there, it can transfer to the sinus. Then bacterial infection, so if bacteria is the main cause, then it can also lead to sinusitis. Then anatomical changes for like polyps, nasal polyps, okay, any you can say like polyps are those they are round shape, okay, and they are just an extra mass which is coming out, and they are round in shape, they are red in color, so these are called polyps which are present in the nasal cavity. ठीक है, तो इस पॉलिप्स की वजह से क्या हो जाते हैं, जब प्रेशर ज्यादा हो जाते हैं तो ये बर्स्ट हो सकता है. ठीक है, when the polyps burst, they can affect the sinuses which are present in the nasal cavity. Then tumors, if there is any tumor or cancer in the nasal cavity or anywhere near the nose, then that also can lead to sinusitis. Deviated nasal septum, when this nasal bridge, okay, or the nasal septum we call it, अगर वो deviate हो जाते हैं, it is not straight, ठीक है, ये थोड़ा side में deviate हो रहा है, ठीक है, so it is just moving to the side, it is not straight. Okay, so today when you look in the mirror, you check your nasal septum, वो straight है या वो curved है, ठीक है, ये जो तुम्हारा nasal bridge है, ये तुम्हारा nose bridge है, ये check कर लेना. Check in the mirror, you will see if it is straight or it is curved. Okay, so if it is curved, we call it as deviated nasal septum. Okay, so that also can lead to sinusitis. Okay, so these are the causes of sinusitis. Then coming to the pathophysiology. Okay, so due to the causes, okay, for instance, let's take bacteria. ठीक है, कॉमन कोल्ड हो गया पेशेंट को, है ना, वायरल इन्फेक्शन हो गया और बैक्टीरियल इन्फेक्शन. सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज, वो जो बैक्टीरिया है it can go and spread to the sinuses. Okay, it will go to either to the frontal sinus, या it will go to the ethmoid sinus or the sphenoid या maxillary sinus. ठीक है, so when they are reached in the sinuses, फिर they start infecting. Okay, so the mucus will accumulate in the sinus because of any causes. The mucus will accumulate in the sinuses. So जो mucus secretions है, ठीक है, they will store or they will get collected in the sinuses. So because of that, the infection can occur because of bacteria or virus. Okay, so whenever there is an infection, okay, कोई भी antigen हमारी body की अंदर है, तो हमारी जो एंटीबॉडीज हैं वो क्या करते हैं, दे फाइट बैक, है ना, दे ट्राई टू किल और दे ट्राई टू अटैक द एंटीजन. ओके, सो इफ देयर इज अ बैक्टीरिया और इट इज अ वायरस, हमारी एंटीबॉडीज है, दे विल प्रोटेक्ट आवर बॉडी बाय अटैकिंग. सो द एंटीजन एंटीबॉडी रिएक्शन स्टार्ट होता है व्हिच लीड्स टू द हिस्टामाइन एंड प्रोस्टाग्लैंडिन रिलीज. ओके, सो व्हेन आवर एंटीबॉडीज and the antigens are fighting against each other, there is a reaction. So at the same time, क्या release होता है, histamine. Okay, histamine release होता है and prostaglandins. Okay, so these are the two important things that are released when there is an antigen antibody reaction. So because of histamine and prostaglandin, okay, and because of this antigen antibody reaction, there will be inflammation of the sinuses. ठीक है, तो हमारी जो साइनस है, इथमॉइड साइनस है या फ्रंटल साइनस है, वो इन्फ्लेम्ड हो जाएगा. ठीक है, so when there is inflammation, what happen is proper blood supply will not go into the sinus, and also tissue perfusion भी cut off हो जाते हैं. So there can be necrosis and there will be presence of pus. Okay, pus is a infected discharge, okay, which is present because of infection. So because of the infection there will be pus formation, and because of the infection जो blood supply है, जो tissue perfusion है, वो cut हो जाते हैं, cut off हो जाएगा. ठीक है, so क्या हो जाते हैं, there will be necrosis and ultimately it will lead to death of the cells. ठीक है, so this is how this is the pathophysiology of sinusitis. So is this clear with everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now coming to the signs and symptoms. Okay, so first of all, because of infection, okay, whenever there is any infection in the body, okay, so what happens is patient can have fever, okay, fever, body chills, okay, then patient can have sore throat, okay, that is because of the upper respiratory tract infection, okay, then patient can have malaise, or you can say lethargic, tiredness, weakness. ठीक है, malaise is lethargic or tiredness, not feeling nothing, you just feel like doing nothing, you're feeling very tired, your body is very weak, that is malaise. Then patient can have headache. Headache is one of the most common sign and symptom of sinusitis. ठीक है, याद रखना. ठीक है, when patient complains of headache, okay, headache, there can be so many types of headache. Migraine की वजह से headache हो रहा है ना, साइनसाइटिस की वजह से हेडेक हो रहा है, या टेंशन की वजह से, स्ट्रेस की वजह से हेडेक भी हो सकता है. सो वी हैव टू, व्हेनेवर पेशेंट इज कंप्लेनिंग और योर फैमिली मेंबर्स आर कंप्लेनिंग ऑफ हेडेक, तो जस्ट गिव अ क्लिक. इट मे बी इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ साइनसाइटिस, okay, or maybe because a patient is having cold, patient is having fever, patient is having sore throat. ठीक है, तो maybe there is some chances that the patient can have sinusitis. ठीक है, so headache is one of the most common sign and symptom of sinusitis. Apart from that, patient can complain of pain, okay, especially in the maxillary sinus. ठीक है, ये जो हमारी cheek bones around our face, okay, so patient will complain of pain, okay, facial pain around the cheeks area, around the nose. Okay, so whenever you observe, okay, a patient complaining of facial pain, okay, so just think maybe it is sinusitis. Okay, and also there will be another sinus symptom is the red and edematous nasal mucosa. So the the mucosa of the nose, that it will be red in color, and also there will be a little bit of swelling. Okay, edema. Okay, so these are some of the signs and symptoms of sinusitis. Okay, so you can see here also. Okay, so patient can complain of blocked nose. Okay, they will complain of their nose being blocked, and also some patient can also complain of mucus coming out from their nose. Okay, that is maybe associated with common cold. ठीक है, क्योंकि जब जुकाम होता है तो क्या हो जाता है, from their nose the mucus are coming out, mucus secretions are coming out. ठीक है, so you should always observe for the sign and symptoms. Is this clear with the sign and symptom? किसी को doubt है?
No, ma'am.
No.
Okay, so sign and symptom according to the classification. So based on the types of sinuses, ठीक है, अगर maxillary sinusitis है तो patient को pain होगा jaw area, near the jaws. ठीक है, pain on the jaw and pain on the upper teeth. Okay, so that is in case of maxillary sinusitis. If patient has frontal sinusitis, then patient can complain of pain in the forehead. ठीक है, ethmoid sinusitis, patient can complain of pain over the nasal bridge. And sphenoid sinusitis, pain over the occiput of the vertex. Okay, so patient can have teary eyes also. Then others can be anosmia. Anosmia, it is also known as lack of smell, not able to smell. ठीक है, पूरे इनकी जो नोज है वो ब्लॉक्ड हो जाते हैं, नॉट एबल टू स्मेल, नॉट गेटिंग एनी व्हेन यू आर पुटिंग फूड इन फ्रंट ऑफ देम आल्सो दे आर नॉट गेटिंग एनी स्मेल, व्हेन यू आर स्प्रेइंग द परफ्यूम आल्सो दे आर नॉट गेटिंग द स्मेल. So lack of smell is called anosmia. Then patient can have nasal congestions. Okay, nose congested हो जाते हैं, blocked हो जाते हैं, ठीक है. So like I said, that patient can have nose block, or they can have mucus secretions coming out, okay, or discharge. Then pain increases during 90-degree position. So if you are putting the patient in semi-Fowler's or Fowler's position mostly, okay, when you're telling them to sit, they will have pain and feeling of facial fullness and pressure. So in their face also, okay, they will feel some external pressure, internal pressure, sorry. They will feel some internal pressure, and also they will have pain, and then they will feel discomfort, okay, in the face. So these are the sinus symptoms according to the classification. Then coming to the diagnostic test, okay, so we will do a history taking. We will ask the patient if patient is having any common cold, rhinitis hai, या patient is having any lung infection, if patient is suffering from any ear infection, or any dental procedure हुआ है, कोई surgery हुआ है with the teeth, any root canal treatment or any root cavity removal, ठीक है. So all these you have to ask the patient, and also you have to check for the physical examination. Okay, so physical examination performed करना है patient के ऊपर. You have to check for the facial reaction. You have to check if if there's any swelling, okay, if there's any deviated nasal septum, ये सब observe करना है. Then we can also perform a sinuses radiography. Okay, so you can see this is a picture of the sinuses radiography. Then we can perform culture sensitivity test, okay, to find out the microorganism which is responsible for the infection. We can perform a CBC test to check their hemoglobin, to check their WBC count, okay, which is very important to check the WBC count. Whenever there is an infection in the body, हमेशा WBC count increase होता है, ठीक है. So in CBC is very important to check their platelet, to check the WBC count, to check the hemoglobin, and also we have to perform a CT scan test. Okay, so these are the diagnostic tests that we can perform on a patient with sinusitis. Now coming to the complication. Okay, so if we are not treating sinusitis, okay, so what can be the complication? वो जो infection है वहाँ से it can go and spread to other parts of the organ. Okay, and the nearest important organ is our brain. Okay, so if the bacteria or if the virus from the sinus, it will go and it will transfer to the brain, then there can be brain infection. Okay, there will be meningitis, there will be encephalitis, okay, and ultimately because of the infection in the brain tissues, pus collection form hoga, which we call it as cerebral abscess. Okay, so I have taught you in the last class, cerebral abscess is pus collection because of the infection in the brain tissues. Okay, so meningitis, inflammation of the meninges, the meninges also will be inflamed, will be infected because of the bacteria which is transferring from the sinus. Then there will be pus collection because of the infection, and also patient can have osteomyelitis, bone infection. Okay, so these are some of the complications of sinusitis. Now coming to the medical management. So whenever we have infection, okay, the important medicine to decrease the bacterial growth, that is the antibiotic therapy. So we will start with antibiotic therapy. Okay, we will give it in the form of oral tablet, or we will give it in the form of nasal spray also, okay, or we can give in the form of IV injection. Then antipyretics, if patient is having fever, we can give a paracetamol injection or paracetamol tablet. Analgesic, because patient is complaining of severe headache, है ना, headache हो रहा है, so we can give analgesics. We can give NSAIDs like tablet Voveron or tablet Brufen, ठीक है. Then we will give nasal decongestants. देखो decongestant, congestant का मतलब है congestion, है ना? There is like a traffic jam, there is a congestion. Okay, so too much of mucus secretion, too much of these infected mucus are there in the sinus. तो congestion हो रहा है, उस congestion की वजह से nose blocked हो रहा है. ठीक है, so we need to give something that will break the congestion, that will break the traffic jam. ठीक है, so we will give nasal decongestant. Okay, so there is a nasal spray or a nasal drop, we call it as Otrivian. Okay, so Otrivian is a nasal drop or is a nasal spray. We can just spray it or we can just put it in drops also in the nose. Okay, so after spraying Otrivian nasal decongestion, patient will have comfort. ठीक है, जो भी nose blocked है वो ठीक हो जाते हैं. ठीक है, they will feel comfortable, they will be able to breathe properly because there is the congestion is decreased. Then allergy, if there is any allergies, okay, so patient, we can give antihistamine agents. Okay, we can give mucolytic. Mucolytic matlab hai to remove the mucus secretion. Okay, so if patient is having any mucus secretions in the lungs, okay, or in the trachea or in the bronchioles, ठीक है, तो वहाँ पे mucus secretions भी present हो सकता है. So we can remove the mucus secretions and patient can cough out. ठीक है, they can cough with while bringing out the sputum also. So mucolytics, or it can be in the form of syrup or it can be in the form of injections also. And last, very important, is the steam inhalation. Okay, steam inhalation with menthol. Okay, so this is a very common home remedy. ठीक है, घर में भी कर सकते हैं. We can whoever is suffering from sinusitis, they can always take steam inhalation with menthol. ठीक है, so because menthol is a it helps in relieving the congestion. It helps the patient to breathe properly. Okay, so steam inhalation with menthol is very effective for patients suffering with sinusitis. Is this clear with the medical management? Anybody has any doubt?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then coming to the surgical management. Okay, surgical management, there are 3 surgical management. One is endoscopic sinus surgery. Okay, and with the help of an endoscope. Okay, so and okay, so can anyone tell me what is an endoscope? कभी सुना होगा एंडोस्कोपी procedure? Have you heard of the word endoscope? Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so endoscopic sinus surgery. Okay, so with the help of an endoscope is a small flexible tube. It has an opening. Okay, it has a camera and it has a light. Okay, so this flexible tube we can insert into our nasal cavity. It will go to our sinuses. The frontal या sphenoid है या ethmoid है या maxillary, ठीक है, उस areas में जा सकते हैं ये tube, and with the help of that tube we will able to see the condition of the sinus. Okay, we will able to see the condition of the sinus, where how much they are affected. If there is any pus collection, तो हम drain out कर लेंगे. If there is any damage to the tissues, then we can do some modification. We can do some reconstructive surgery. Then second is nasal antrostomy. ठीक है? So nasal antrostomy is basically a procedure to enlarge the opening of the sinus. ठीक है? तो because in sinusitis क्या होता है? पूरा sinus inflamed हो रहा है. ठीक है? There is inflammation. Okay, too many of mucus secretions ज़्यादा produced हो रहा है उसमें. ठीक है? Infected pus collection भी formed हो रहा है. So we need to enlarge the opening. We need to जो अफेक्टेड साइनस है उसको हमें इनलार्ज करना है, ठीक है, उसको थोड़ा एक्सपैंड करना है, सो दैट देयर विल बी प्रॉपर ओपनिंग एंड ऑल द म्यूकस सिक्रीशन कैन कम आउट फ्रॉम द नोज, ठीक है. सो दैट इज नाजल एंट्रोस्टमी, ठीक है. सो नाजल एंट्रोस्टमी बेसिकली द मोस्ट कॉमन इज द मैक्सिलरी, जो मैक्सिलरी साइनस है ना, ठीक है. इफ पेशेंट सफरिंग फ्रॉम maxillary sinusitis, then we can perform nasal antrostomy. Why? Because this will enlarge the opening of the sinus of the maxillary sinus, ठीक है. So if अगर opening और expand किया हमने तो जो भी mucus secretion है, जो भी pus collection, it will come out from the nose under the gravity, ठीक है. And patient जो infection level है वो decreased हो सकता है, ठीक है. So this is nasal antrostomy. And the last is the external sphenoethmoidectomy, ठीक है. Whenever you see the word ectomy का मतलब है किसी चीज का removal करना, ठीक है. So in this case we are removing the sphenoid and the ethmoid sinus, okay, which if the sphenoid and the ethmoid sinus are infected, ठीक है, infection level बहुत ही ज्यादा है, that we have to remove them, okay, or else it will spread the infection to other parts of the body, to the ears. It can go and spread to the brain. So it is very risky if the infection is going to the brain, So we need to remove the sphenoid and we will remove the ethmoid sinus. Okay, so external coming from the word sphenoid, so sphenoethmoidectomy. Okay, removal of sphenoid and removal of the ethmoid sinus, because sphenoid and ethmoid, they are very close to each other, ठीक है. जो इनकी लोकेशन है वो बहुत ही क्लोज है, so we can remove them together. Okay, so this is the surgical management for sinusitis. Is this clear with the three management?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, so now coming to the last, that is the nursing management. Okay, so nursing management, first of all, you have to monitor the vital signs. Okay, you have to monitor the vital signs. You have to check the temperature, because patient को fever हो सकता है, तो you have to check the temperature. Okay, then give medications, administer medications according to the doctor's orders. Antibiotics देना है तो antibiotics दो, antipyretics, okay, analgesic medicines to relieve pain, to relieve headache, okay. Then give warm compression, okay, we can give warm compress to the patient. We can increase the fluid intake of the patient. Okay, tell the patient to avoid smoking, tell the patient to avoid blowing of the nose, okay, because if you are giving external force by blowing the nose, what happens is there can be injury to the tiny blood vessels, okay, that can lead to epistaxis. And avoid smoking, okay. Educate the patient to avoid any cold environment. Tell the patient not to fly, not to travel here and there when patient is having sinusitis, okay. Avoid change in temperature, avoid change in pressure, okay, and educate not to go to any cold places. And provide good oral hygiene, ठीक है. dental care, oral hygiene maintain करना है. Make sure there is no tooth cavity, कोई cavity नहीं होना चाहिए. If root canal treatment होना है तो you have to follow all the procedures, all the treatment regimen, okay. Then you have to take antibiotics also if you're doing root canal therapy, root canal treatment, okay, because there is chances for infection. Then mouth care, gargle your mouth with mouth fresheners or with normal saline also, okay. So you have to maintain the oral hygiene, okay, so as to avoid the sinusitis, okay. So now coming to the nursing diagnosis, so I have framed 4 nursing diagnosis for you. Okay, so the first one is the risk for infection related to disease process. Okay, so there can be chances for infection and chances that infection can spread to the brain. Okay, once if हाँ बोलो.
मैंने अपने स्लाइड चेंज ही नहीं की, मेडिकल मैनेजमेंट पे किया.
अच्छा, if everyone is seeing medical management or surgical management,
No, ma'am.
No, now. So Deepika, it can be because of your internet problem. ठीक है, internet connection में कुछ problem होगा.
Okay.
ठीक है, so don't worry, मैं ये slide share कर रही हूँ, PowerPoint share कर रही हूँ, so you just listen. Okay. So the first nursing diagnosis is risk for infection related to disease process. So we have to reduce any infection. Okay, if there is patient is suffering from common cold, okay, patient is suffering from rhinitis, patient is suffering from pharyngitis या laryngitis, we have to tell the patient to follow the treatment. ठीक है, अच्छी तरह से ट्रीटमेंट फॉलो करना है. एंटीबायोटिक्स लेना है 3 days के लिए तो ले लो, 3 days के लिए कंप्लीट करना है. और इफ यू हैव टू टेक एंटीबायोटिक्स फॉर 7 days, देन यू हैव टू कंप्लीट द 7 days ट्रीटमेंट. ठीक है, नॉट लाइक you take one day, you leave the other day and then take the other alternate day. ऐसे नहीं, you have to follow the treatment. Then second nursing diagnosis, ineffective breathing pattern related to nasal congestion or discharge. ठीक है, तो nose blocked, congestion, blockage हो रहा है ना, so you're not able to breathe from the nostril, है ना, so there can be chances for hypoxia, SpO2 level decrease हो सकता है. So you there is ineffective breathing pattern related to nasal congestion or discharge. Then altered comfort related to feeling facial fullness, pressure or nasal discharge. So when your face is having pain, ठीक है, जो facial pain हो रहा है या there is some pressure, you can feel some pressure on your face or fullness on your face, and mucus secretion is coming from your nose, है ना, so you're having some discomfort. ठीक है, public area में या in any public any public area, okay, every time your mucus secretion is coming out from your nose, okay, every time you have to use handkerchief, every time you have to use hand sanitizer, and you know ऐसे वाला वो आते हैं, you know, you're trying to you're trying to struggle to, you know, to make sure कि जो mucus secretions it will not come out. ठीक है, so these are all discomfort for the patient and also embarrassing. ठीक है, so you have to we have to fix these problems, so we can tell the patient to take steam inhalation, tell the patient to take nasal decongestion medicine. Okay, so these all will help the patient to be in comfort zone or comfort position. Then last is hypothermia related to inflammation or infection process. So fever, okay, altered body temperature related to inflammation also you can write. Okay, so whenever there is infection, whenever there is inflammation, patient will always have fever. So we can give injection paracetamol or tablet paracetamol. Okay, tell the patient to drink lots of fluids so that patient dehydrate nahi hoga. Okay, so these are all some of the management for the hypothermia. So is this clear with the nursing diagnosis? You can add some of your nursing diagnosis, no issue. Okay, but I've only written 4 of them. Okay. Is this clear with the topic for today? Anybody has any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Athira, can you hear? Anubhavi, Athira, Palak, can you hear me? Athira? Okay, absent. Dolly? Dolly है? Kunal? Everybody is sleeping. Kunal?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.